everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Sangeeta and you are watching my channel Simple and Easy Recipes by Sangeeta. Friends, if you are new to my channel and still have not subscribed yet, I request you to please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I upload new video recipes, you get that video notifications. So today I am presenting a delicious and spicy Dahi Parwal or Doi Potol recipe. It's purely veg recipe, no onion and garlic recipe. It's a thick and aromatic gravy and is a perfect side dish for lunch or dinner. So now first check the ingredient list. Now to make this I have taken 500 gram parwal or potol. I am using whole parwals. Now do not peel the skin, just with a knife scrape off the skins like this. And now make some small cuts like this so that it cooks well with the masalas. And also give a small cut from the body. Now I did the same with the rest of parwals also. And now add 1 teaspoon salt and haldi powder. And now give a good mix. And now we need to fry these parwals. So for this I have taken one frying pan. Now in this heated frying pan add 2 tablespoons mustard oil. Here I will advise you to use mustard oil only other than refined oil, because mustard oil not only give you the rich color, it also helps to it enriches the taste also. And now add the parwals one by one and fry them. It will take 5 to 7 minutes. And now once it is done, take it aside. Now keep this oil, we will use later. And now for tempering, I have taken 2 bay leaves, 3 crushed cardamom pods, that is elaichi, 1 cinnamon stick, that is dalchini, 1 tablespoon crushed ginger. And also we need 100 gram well beaten curd, that is dahi, half teaspoon haldi powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon jeera powder, 1 teaspoon dhania powder. Now in the same leftover oil add the whole spices one by one, and now lower the flame and add the masalas one by one. And now you need to start sauteing. While sauteing, just increase the flame and now keep on sauteing for 5 to 7 minutes. Now after 5 to 7 minutes, again lower the flame and add the well beaten curd. I am using 100 gram well beaten fresh curd, that is dahi. And now in medium flame you need to saute this nicely. Add little water. And now keep on sauteing. Saute this for another 7 to 8 minutes. And now add salt according to taste and little sugar just to balance the gravy. The masalas are well cooked now. The oil is also releasing from the sides. Now you need to add the fried parwals. So mix this properly with the gravy and start sauteing this with the parwals. I'm sauteing this for 2 to 3 minutes. And now we'll add 1 glass water. Now mix this properly. This gravy is little dense and thick, so I'm not adding much water. 1 glass water is enough. Now I'm adding 3 whole chilies. And now once the water starts boiling, just lower the flame and cover it with a lid and allow it to cook for at least 15 to 20 minutes until the parwals become soft. Now after 20 minutes you can see the texture. The gravy is dried up and little dense now. And now we will do the final part. In a separate small tadka pan, add 1 teaspoon ghee, and now add half teaspoon hing. Now mix this properly. And now pour this mixture in the Dahi Parwal gravy. This last part tadka will give the beautiful aroma and also it helps to enhance the taste also. Now Dahi Parwal or Doi Potol is ready to serve. It's a perfect side dish with steamed rice or even with roti or paratha. Try this simple and easy recipe and let me know your feedback in the below comment section. If you like this recipe, then please like it, share it with your friends and family, and please do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.